Let's make some hand and arm warmers using socks. Hello, I am Katie, the Crafty Blog Stalker, and if you're new to my videos, make sure to subscribe and ring that bell so you don't miss out on any of my upcoming craft tutorials. This is a really simple project. All you need are some knee-length socks and some scissors. I am using women's socks, but if you were making these for a child, then you would use child-sized knee-high socks. And we're going to be making these two different ways just to experiment and see which way works best. We're going to start with this red and white striped pair. We're going to open them up and just separate them. Now for this set, we're going to leave in the heels because I'm hoping that is where the elbow can go. So we're going to cut off the toes with a pair of scissors, just straight across. You want this top band of the sock to lay right about where you want it to on your fingers, whether you want it high up or low. Find that positioning, and we're going to scoot the hand over and we're going to cut a little slit right here at this first knuckle on your thumb. And it doesn't have to be a very big slit because the thumb will stretch that hole out. Okay, so there's my first hole. Then I'm going to layer the socks together and cut the same hole in the same spot in the other sock. Now we have our two thumb holes. And now all that's left is to try them on. So let's see if leaving the heel works. And you just pull them up, and leaving the heel totally works. It just goes right over the elbow right there, and there is my arm warmer, and it's super cute. It's long enough that it can be tucked in to my sleeve, so it's a great way to stay warm and even add some fashion to your outfit. Let's put on our other one. And I really like that placement right over that bottom knuckle on my hand. So what do you guys think? And I love that they go all the way underneath my sleeves. And we're gonna do the same with these purple and black striped socks, although this time we're gonna cut it off at the heel. And stripes are easy because you could even just follow the stripe. I went straight across, but you can do it however you want. And then we're going to do the same thing. I'm going to figure out about where I want that hem of the sock to be. Scoot my hand over and put a little hole at that first knuckle on my thumb. And there is that first hole. Then we're going to repeat on the second one. Okay, so these will be a little bit shorter. They're not going to go all the way underneath my sleeve. They are still great little hand warmers for when you're just a little bit chilly. I use these a lot when I'm working. Oh, where'd my slit go? Oh, I'm putting it on the wrong way. I use these a lot when I'm working just because my hands get a little bit cold when I'm typing. And there are the shorter version, and you could even slouch them a bit. They're super cute and super functional. So what do you guys think? Are you going to make some hand or arm warmers? How do you like them best, with the heel still in it or cutting the heel off and making them shorter? Let me know. I'd love to hear your thoughts. If you want more fun craft tutorials, make sure to check out my home base, thecraftyblogstalker.com. Thanks everybody. Bye and happy crafting.